It's
Brian,
dying.
no!
No, not the cat. Oh.
You can't tame ocelots.
You obviously know who the ruthless one here is. The sellout Shadow Zone.
I got a
And
flower.
if you haven't noticed, we have a new
Here you
person
go.
here. Fury ZOMB. He's right there. He's special because he started out with leather armor. You know how it is every time. We have to get.
Straight capping me right now.
If you want to be a
That's a joke.
part
It's a
of
joke.
Parrot gang,
It's a
you
joke.
have to get a parrot. Come with me. Brian, you can do your own thing if you want.
Can I be part of the
gonna-
horse cock game?
No.
Gang?
I mean, go for it.
I need food.
You can take the
They
worst
have 1 million.
one. Alright, let's go. I took his 1 million.
We may only receive 1 million from me.
Alright, Near, if we don't
One
find your
million.
parrot, you will not be accepted and you'd have to join Garrett or John. One of the two.
Near you're a failure.
You are a failure,
Let's
Near.
find some carrots then. What biome are they in?
This biome, that's where
This
we're
one.
walking around.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's our farm, by the way. Sabian made it. Hey, maybe we'll have some luck up in the house.
Does
Whoa.
Sabian have
Oh,
a,
yeah,
does
you could-
Sabian have a parrot?
He used to, but it died. But he still counts because he had one. You coming up?
Wait, did you put these vines here?
Yeah.
Nice, smart.
Look at this. This is cool. This is so cool. I don't know why I like it so much. We gotta find you a parrot. Oh yeah, that's our house, by the way, with all this wooden stairs.
Nice.
Garrett's is way worse. You made the right choice joining me.
Yeah,
see that
I've
right
seen
there?
his house. Yeah, I've seen
John
it.
invaded
I've
him.
seen it.
John did an attack on him. I think that was episode 3. Where John assaulted everyone.
He didn't assault me because I wasn't there.
Yeah, but he assaulted me and Sabian. It was kind of funny.
I found a llama.
Oh, really? I heard you could tame those. Hey, parrot.
I found a parrot for Near.
Parrot?
Oh, where? Yeah, okay, let's go.
I see it.
Here, tame it. Oh, it's a blue one too.
I got
Alright,
it!
now walk over it. Ah! Near, look. Near,
Let's
come here.
go.
Near.
I see it.
By my eyes, you are officially in Parrot Gang. This right here, Near. Okay, Near. This right here is your official piece of bamboo. And Brian, yours, since I
Wait,
forgot to do this
hold
with
on.
you.
Hold on. Why
What?
is it over here? You gotta put it somewhere
Because-
special. You
No,
know?
this is where you got your parrot. That is special.
Ah, you right.
Don't hit me.
You hit me, you die.
Chill.
I'm just
Chill.
kidding.
I told you.
Brian, relax. Brian is an animal. He cannot be tamed.
Bro, no.
Brian,
Dude, chill.
I will steal your head and wear it.
No. How do I get back?
It's not that hard.
Find your own way.
Yeah, just look for
Um,
Garrett's
I
ugly
think-
house.
Dude,
And then
my
you'll know where
character's
we are.
glitched.
What you mean your character's glitched?
Yeah, you have to come see it.
I think you're lying just to bring us over here.
Now I'm being serious.
So you can figure it out
I-
yourself.
My character on my screen is glitched. I don't know if it'll be
Brian,
yours.
I'm just gonna let him do it on his own. He got this. Right
Of
now.
course I,
I mean,
did.
I
I'm in
told him.
Parrot King. What'd you expect?
Of course you're in Parrot
No,
Gang.
you told me after I hit you.
No, I told you
No, you
before
told him.
you-
He told you before you hit him.
I couldn't stop myself, could I now? You told me as I hit you.
Brian, come here.
Uh,
Bad
Where's your
mistake.
parrot at? He started.
wait, do you see my arms?
Yeah, I know. That glitch happened to Sabian. I don't know where your armor went.
It's on
Brian
me.
picked it
I
up.
have it.
He stole my armor. There's my parrot.
I'm sorry, but the horse gang belongs to either Garrett or John. It's a sad time.
Oh no, I didn't say horse gang. I said horsecock
I know you did.
gang. There's a difference.
One's bigger. What?
One's girthier.
Oh yeah.
No! Y'all got issues. Alright,
We know
don't
we
blow
do.
up that creeper because that's Lawrence and Garrett's house.
Just heard it behind me.
Alright, there. Now that you're officially a part of Parrot Game, because you got a parrot now, you can see the house.
It ain't much.
Yeah, but it's still better
But
than
it's enough.
everyone else's. Besides
ain't much, but
John's
it's enough.
and James, their house is actually really nice.
It ain't much, but it's honest work.
It ain't much, it's just selling drugs.
Nah,
I mean,
we don't do
coke is
drugs.
coke.
It just depends on how you use it. Up the butt!
Depends on what kind of coke it is.
Alright, this is the entrance. Over here is the mining area. This is where we're
Oh
gonna
my
go
God,
down to
that's a lot
diamond
of
level.
Ooh, nice.
Here, I was gonna start it right now.
I see y'all got it so far.
And then, yeah.
I need
This
food
is,
now.
I may or may not have planted like 39 things up
that's the first room, yeah. 39 things of what? Oh, this is where you and Brian can sleep.
Boo.
I see it! I'm proud of you, Brian.
You planted 39. Oh. Oh! Oh
Yep.
my
Sprouts of
God.
bamboo.
Oh yeah, you obviously saw the furnace area. Oh yeah, you were gonna make that bamboo XP thing, right, Brian?
Wait, why is there 2 beds
Yeah,
up here
bamboo.
Because that's mines and
and no other
staircase.
beds?
Yeah, Brian joined after we made all this, and now you joined. So you know that first area? I
So
showed
now-
you? That's gonna be yours and Brian.
So now me and Brian have the same room.
This
I
one right
guess
here.
We could say.
Honestly, it's not bad though. I really like it. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. We got a nice view too. Go.
Oh,
Wait, can you
Miguel,
land?
what did
Can
you
you
do?
stand on sprouts?
really? Yeah, you can stand on them.
I also need food, so.
Or we
Ow,
can go hunting.
got you.
Here.
Or instead of hunting them,
Oh my God,
just bring them back
Oh,
and
we could
make
breed
a
them.
farm. Yes.
But do we have any fences? We can make
can make some.
stone fences.
Or wood fences.
You don't want to? I think stone would be easier since we have a lot of it.
Yeah. But then
do
we
you
can
think, Brian?
change to wood once we get the materials.
It's your say, Brian. You're a farm man.
I don't care.
Wait, so then, okay, what's Sapien?
He's killer. Cause he got us all. our food.
What am I?
You're gonna be tech support. I'm just kidding there.
What do I do?
I don't know. You can be. What can you be? You can be the guy that gets like resources, I guess.
So, the miner.
Basically, yeah. If you want to say that.
The
He's a
demolition
data miner.
That's so funny.
You make
Notice how I laughed?
You're a dick.
data miner.
Get it? Because we're in a video game.
Shut up.
And he's tech support.
Because I'm Indian.
Yeah, basically that's
Well,
all it is.
nobody ever said anything about that, but
Oh, I
if
did.
you want to take it into your own hands, you can.
Where's the furnace?
It's on the tree, remember? There are 4 of them.
Oh, I'm actually hurting. Oh no, I need coal. Quick,
It's in the furnace.
I can't find it.
Near, I'll go up the tree.
I'm all the way at the top.
What did you skip? It's right here. Near?
What did I skip?
Did you go down the stairs?
Go down!
Did you go up the stairs?
Yeah. Oh, I found it.
How did you go up?
I'm there. There. I'm
Let me
there.
guess how
Hurry
you
up and
went
cook.
up.
Hurry up and cook. Cook,
Don't
cook,
tell me
cook,
you went
cook,
up
cook,
this
cook.
way.
Shut up, shut
You
up,
went
shut
up
up, shut up,
this
shut
way,
up, shut up.
didn't
No.
You went up this way. Okay, I get how you went up. Near, you know I have food right now.
No! But you said to go hunt my own. Thank you, thank you.
I didn't know you were dying. I thought you were like, I thought you just needed food, you know?
I mean, I couldn't run, so.
Oh. So how did hunting go?
I got a sheep. The sheep died.
Hey, that's wool for you to make a bed now.
Time to go hunting again.
Yep, I believe in you. I think. Probably not.
You think?
I
Wow.
don't believe in you.
Me. I could go harvest this wheat. I think some of it's
Yeah,
done.
go for it. Actually, Sabian's farmer boy.
Too late.
And you're gonna be killer since you're getting the food. But Brian is a savage animal that no one can tame. Alright, Brian. Cause you saw how you tried to kill you.
He
He's a
killed me.
monster. Oh yeah, he did kill you.
Oh no, I didn't try to.
You
I
did.
succeeded.
Okay, Brian is a savage animal because he killed Near. And Near is
He killed a fellow.
Near gets the food and Sabian farms the food. And I'm just the leader, cause
Apparently, you can make sticks out of bamboo.
yeah, you
Yep.
can. And scaffolding.
I didn't know that. Hey, do you want to give me some of this stone? Thanks.
I got a stack. Here you go, Chief. There should be stacks in the chest as well. It's down there.
What happens if you kill a bee?
A what?
They
Nothing.
get angry.
Yeah, and they poison you, but you get nothing out of it. Just letting you know.
What happens if you destroy a beehive?
Nothing.
They kill you.
There's just more bees, and you get nothing out of it.
And they kill you.
Wow, there seems
I
to be a
destroyed the
pattern.
beehive and nothing happened.
Okay,
You're lucky there were no
you
bees.
were really lucky. You should have seen the first episode. Garrett popped like a beehive, and it like they attacked me viciously. I screamed whenever that.
Oh, you're...
I need to find one more sheep. Found a ravine.
Wait, where'd you find the ravine? We could use that.
56, 566, 64, negative 88.
Wow.
Okay, he's far over there. I'll go find him.
Okay. You do that.
Hey Brian, could I get my leather armor back, please?
Yeah, I gotta get you first.
I got me some wool.
What happened to my bird? Oh, he's right there.
Dude, what happened to your bird? What
I
happened to
thought
your
he
bird?
died.
Jesus,
Don't say that.
hurt.
Bro, he's dying.
Feed it.
Later.
Oh my god. You gotta feed your parrot because you're in the parrot gang.
I'm
Can't be
actually
doing this
later.
now.
Hey, near. I'm behind
No.
you.
Oh, hi.
Stop doing damage noises. You sit there.
Thank you.
I'll kill the horses so that we can get more leather. Okay, I'm sorry. Demonetize the horses.
And we can get meat from them. This is baby horse.
No,
I
you
hate
can't.
bro. Demonetize the horses.
Brian, over here.
Wait, you're not allowed to say the other word.
You right.
Unless you want to get demonetized.
Legit, Brian? Let me just drop straight down.
I 360 down here.
Nice. What was that? Slight problem. Wait, no, not a slight problem.
Big
Slight problem.
Are y'all okay?
Big problem, big problem,
That scared
big
me.
problem, big problem.
No! How much
He
stuff did
burned
you have
it.
on you?
Oh my god! Big problem, big problem.
How much
Like
stuff
I
did you
said,
have on
big
you?
problem, big problem. All of my stone stuff, all of my wood, all of my bamboo.
Did you die in lava?
Pretty good bit. Yes.
Oh my god.
So it's all
But
good.
I got out of it before I got out of it before I
I'm about to die.
Yeah,
I'm about
but
to
you
die. I'm
didn't
about to die.
realize your like thing spreads out, right? Whenever you die.
I didn't die. I didn't die.
I mean, most of the good stuff is probably saved.
Yeah,
Near,
right.
what's your coordinates?
55, 551, -69. Nice. I also don't have a pickaxe, so
It might
Great.
be one on my body.
I can't go down there because I went over the lava and it started burning me.
I guess I'll be coming.
And I have jungle logs,
I-
which can't make a crafting table.
Jungle
Okay.
logs?
Craft them
That's how you
into
start.
planks?
Yeah. What?
My bad. Chill out, chill out, chill out.
No, I just got logs. I can't make a crafting table. That's how you start the game.
Ishway?
There's a panda stuck in here.
Ah, I
darn
really
it.
hope I didn't lose my gold helmet.
I'll keep it inside so it doesn't despawn.
Don't worry,
Better
Brian.
get me some food,
if
though.
it does, I'll get you a new one.
But it was enchanted.
Yeah.
Brian, when you get here, give me some food when you get here, though.
Like I
I
have
don't.
food.
I don't think he brought.
You do
food
have
here.
food, actually. He does have food. He has watermelon. He has fish.
Wait, he
I
died.
have one melon.
I'll take watermelon. I'm on 1 heart.
And whose fault is that?
Yours.
Okay.
Miss. Brian, I'm leaving you.
Dead. I'm dead.
Ah,
I'm
he's
dead.
dead
I'm
again.
dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh my.
Does
Here
that
he
mean you
is.
lost
You're-
everything?
Nah.
No.
His helmet's still there.
Alright, what's the big problem?
Lucky you, Brian.
I'm right here.
Drop down that hole. Right when you drop down, you'll fall straight into lava. If you
I'm
fall into the
deleting
spot.
lava.
Well, you could have done that earlier.
I'm deleting it right now.
Possibly.
It's taking a little bit of time, though.
Might as well grab this coal while I'm down here.
But go, drop me some food, please.
You think I have some?
Yeah.
Well, you're right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You get torches. Nice, nice. Yeah.
What's wrong? You gonna have to get off soon?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. I mean, if you want, we could end it right now. I don't mind. I mean, we still need 10 minutes, but it's all good.
Now, what happened to my stuff?
I have some of it, Brian. Can I get some coal, please?
Yeah.
Go.
I had like 2 stacks of wood. And I had over 2 stacks of sticks.
Brian, come here. There
Then
you go.
all of my
There's some-
stone stuff.
There you go. There you go. There you
Like stone
go.
stuff.
There you go.
I also had another iron sword, if
There
it's
you
there.
go. There you go. There you go. That's yours.
Is my
That's also
stone
yours.
pickaxe, stone axe, and
That's also
stone
yours.
shovel still there?
That's all. Nope. I don't have it.
I have.
Okay.
I think I have it.
I mean, go on.
Oh yeah, I picked up the most important thing. Your gold helmet.
Yay. It has protection 3
Oh,
on
here
it.
you go, by the way. Brian.
Oh, Brian,
Little
I found.
upgrade.
I have
Thank you.
I have your stone sword. I have your stone sword.
I have an iron
I can
sword,
see
I'm
it in the
fine.
corner. Keep it anyways.
We need name tags to name these parrots. I guess I'll make a stairway back up for y'all.
Y'all aren't gonna want me to name my parrot.
What?
It's gonna be
It's
bad.
Brian.
I believe in Brian.
That's all I need to say, Miguel. It's Brian.
You're right.
Near, I'm gonna message you the name. You're not allowed to tell Miguel.
Why? I
It's
want
a
to know.
surprise.
Alright, well, I made y'all a stairway up. And I'll make y'all a bridge to get to the other side. You're welcome. Y'all can thank me later. Alright, we only have 8 minutes left. I need to get some food.
Think so. Yeah, give me a second.
No, it didn't.
Wait, did you send it through Xbox?
Yeah, it didn't send.
You should send it over Snapchat so he can send it to me. What happened? What's the name? I need to know.
It'll get you demonetized.
Okay, fine. After it's over, then.
Oh my god, Brian.
I really
Oh
want to
my
know.
god.
Don't make me sad.
Yeah, bun courage.
Here, Miguel. I'll text it to you. Oh crap, I was gonna text it to you and I forgot.
Forgot.
I'm
Oh, I
gonna
hate
text
you.
it to you.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna text the name to you. Forgets.
I already texted it to him.
Yeah.
Huh, nerd.
I keep hearing creeper noises and it scares
It's the
me.
parrots.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Garrett's gonna kill all his parrots because of that. Because they make creeper and zombie noises. He did it in a different world where he just murdered all of his parrots. Made me sad because, you know, Parrot King.
He demonetized all of his parrots.
Found another parrot.
Yes.
This one's green.
Tame it. Go for it, man.
I tamed it.
Now Brian has the most.
I have 3.
Yeah, you have the most. I have 2. Near has 2. Sabian has 0. Near, come here.
I'm going back to base to. Put
I'm
my
right
stuff
behind
up.
you.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Oh, there it is. Wait, why'd you want me to come there?
No, I was gonna show you something.
Hey, Miguel, where are you at?
I'm back at the base.
Ah, dang, I'm still in the ravine. I need food.
I can bring you some. You're just gonna have to give me a minute. What you doing there?
Making a bed.
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
And setting up our room.
Oh yeah. That is your room.
I
how
has
much bars
I
do you
has
have?
the white bed.
4.
Can I not place it on leaf?
There should be trunks over there near. In the back.
I know, but can I not place it? Can I not place it on leaf?
No, you can't. But you can always take out the leaves and put planks. You won't be able to see it under the beds, so it won't matter.
Yeah. I'm gonna put logs.
Okay, that'd look even better. Alright, I'm coming. Alright. I don't know why I did that.
Let's see. I don't have enough wood planks. Would you look at that?
So how much stuff did you lose in the lava, Brian?
Nothing really. I lost like 7 melons.
Oh. I thought it was gonna be something extreme.
And some stone and stuff, but
You can always get that back, and plus we have like 3 stacks back at the base.
yeah.
I almost hit my bird with the sword. Oh no.
Ouch. Close one.
Where's this ravine? Oh, here it is.
You're excused, Brian.
You are not excused because you are Brian.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kidding, Brian. You are Brian. Of the
I'll
Brian.
just still cry myself to sleep.
You do that, bro. I believe in you. Wait, Brian, where are you?
In the
Alright,
ravine.
so
I don't know.
I'm finna get off.
Oh, okay. There's only 1 minute left anyways. You have anything to say before you go in there? Where can they find you?
It's been awesome. It's been awesome.
That's it?
Gonna be a sellout? Like me?
Yeah, be a sellout like Brian.
Big son of blowout.
Oh, don't worry, I'll leave your link in the description to your Instagram.
That's what I'm talking about.
Psych, just because you said that.
Wow.
Exactly. I'm
Feel
right
the love
above you,
right
I
there.
think. Yeah. Where are you? I swear you're just right there. Brian! 5 cooked fish.
I have 1.5 thing of heart. Thing of food.
Yeah, I just dropped you 5 cooked fish.
Thanks for the salmon.
You're welcome. Here's some mutton too. Do you have anything to say, Brian? Maybe we're 30 minutes in. I'm about to turn it off. You could have killed my bird.
My Instagram will be linked in. My Instagram will be linked in the description. Thank you.
Chill
The
out.
first link in the description.
Alright, bye.
Finds the second link.